Hey guys, it's Poochie. I'm going to tell you a little bit of news today, I think, about what is going on with eBay. In case you don't know, I have multiple eBay seller accounts and I regularly test things out on those accounts to see or to gauge kind of what's going on with eBay because eBay, regarding their especially drop shipping policy, they're very like tight-lipped, right? They will not tell you any information. So recently, I haven't had anything drop shipped on this account that I'm going to show you this email from in like months, right? And it had gotten unflagged within 30 to 45 days after I changed it up from a drop shipping account, okay? Put all the inventory in as my inventory, right? Well, now here's something really interesting. The account was unflagged, okay? And now they've reflagged it. Okay, so this email, I actually appealed this because I got the are losing your top rated seller status. And I went, well, why? Because all the items are in my inventory here and are shipping from my location. So this is what I got on the dispute or appeal that I filed with them. This is a follow-up email in relation to the phone conversation regarding your seller status going to above standard from top rated. Based on the I'm just going to paraphrase because the English is not very good in this. Based on the escalation that I have submitted and the result that has been provided by our higher team, there is evidence on your account that you're purchasing items from an online retail or marketplace site after you sell the item on eBay and having that retailer ship the item directly to the customer. We can detect when you are not in control of your inventory, but again, I'm not able to disclose the specifics, for it might be used to circumvent the evaluation investigation that process I think that eBay has. For this reason, the changes on the account have been verified correct, and what we can advise is to sell items that is in your possession, or to properly include the item location on your listing. The changes have been made to AK. I think that means make you more familiar with eBay's guidelines and policy for us to prevent your account being jeopardized. It's very hard to understand that, actually. I trust the information is helpful. No! I wish you success in trading on eBay. If you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So, we've called again and we've escalated again because on this count, like I said, it was flagged, then it was unflagged, okay, and now it's been flagged again, and the only reason that I can see is it is June 24th today, but the date of this email is June 21st. The only reason that I can see is there was one item that sold within the last 90 days, okay, that shipped from a different address. Okay, every other item has been shipped from my address, my location, and I have it in my possession. I have done everything from tell eBay that I would, do a FaceTime call with them and take them to my warehouse and show them everything that I have in stock, send them invoices, whatever. So it's a bit concerning that the whole 30 to 45 days to unflag your account, it can come back to kind of be reflagged even if you aren't drop shipping and you haven't been drop shipping in months. So I just wanted to give an update. It might take longer to unflag accounts than previously thought, or an account could be reflagged and you might have to fight your way out of it. But anyway, just wanted to let you know that this account has been flagged for drop shipping again. Top rated seller status has been taken away again because eBay doesn't want you to have that because then they give you a discount, right? So it's been taken away again, even though this account has not been drop shipping since April, and it's almost the end of June now. So almost 3 full months, but at least 2.5 months, no drop shipping, and all the items in my possession and shipping from my location. So it's kind of concerning, since eBay's policy seems to be gradually changing more and more. They're kind of morphing it, the more we go. And if you're going to get flagged for, or reflagged, even if you're not drop shipping, that's a bit of a concern. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you, if you like eBay news, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. Any comments or questions, I'm happy to answer. Also, make sure you join my Facebook group, Poochie's Pack, because there is a lot of help in there for eBay sellers. And also, I just started today another manual dropshipping bootcamp course to teach people about how to dropship on eBay manually, the safe way. I'm hoping this one is just a fluke, because this is not even drop shipping, a drop shipping account anymore. This is all items that we have in inventory here and are shipping from here. So kind of weird that it was unflagged and then reflagged. So if you have any information about things like this happening, please post them in the comments, because it helps. The more information we have about what eBay's doing, the more it helps us all. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.